Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to let you see the most easy way to get your first magnets in scrapping. The first thing that you always need with metal scrapping are magnets. It's the first thing that you can see when something is aluminum or brass or copper or stainless steel. You need magnets. I will let you see the easiest way to get this. So this is the magnatron. You can find it in every microwave, or sometimes you find them in some combi ovens. What you see here, you find two magnets. Before I go to scrap this, I want to tell you to watch out for the pink stuff, because it can be bad for your health. And not all, but old ones, they got something in it that it's not good for you. So I'm going to scrap this, and I will let you see the easiest way to get your first magnets, so you can check all your steel and other. First, what I'm going to do is get the yellow brass. Just take it off. Watch for the pink stuff. Then they are not all the same, but mostly you can just hammer this in the side. Just push this out. And you can pop it open, and there what you see is the first magnet that you can get. Again, there are two magnets in it. When you pull it, you will pull out the whole thing, and there is a pink side on the other side, what you can see here. Just watch it. It's for your own health. And there's your second magnet. Normally I always start on this side to crack this open, but I want to let you see the magnets first. This is like cracking a can. Just pull it open. It's all steel, it's nothing special. Just pop the copper, just cut it. Get the most out of it, and it will get out. So there's your second magnet. This is steel also. Just put it in there. Second magnet. Here is your first magnet. Again, this will cost you nothing. Just get your first magnet. This is aluminum, so I will cut this off. There it is. And this is steel also. This is why you need a magnet. So there are two pieces. What you see here, I got most. I always keep them because I'm losing a lot of them. So just pull this, and this will get out. This is steel also. Do it again, and it falls out. Just just clip this and you get your 2 pieces of copper. Just clip this as well. Watch out for your hands, it's very sharp. Get your aluminum. Got this again. It's like 5 or 6 of these every time that you do this. They're almost every time they are the same. Some new ones, some old ones, but just watch out for the pink. So, got it. And you can push this in your electric motors. You will get, I will get 50 cents a kilo for this. I will get €1 a kilo of aluminum. At this moment, for the copper, the price is €6 the kilo. I hope it will go up. You got your 50 cents for steel, but most important thing, you got your first magnets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.